Okay, now let's say this question which was asked in IIT-JEE exam. The statement of question is quite big, so what I've done, I have put this figure and we'll understand the question through this figure. Question is there is a seashore, okay, and this is sea. Sea is on this side. There is swimmer S here in the sea, okay. This is nearest point on the shore at distance D from the swimmer, and house of swimmer is on the shore at distance L from point A. This is house of swimmer, okay. Here all the distances are in kilometers. This is D kilometers and this is L kilometers, okay. Now S can swim with the speed of u kilometer per hour and can walk with the speed of v kilometer per hour. Here u is less than v. Mostly it happens, okay. Generally लोगों का swim करने का speed walk करने से कम होता है. यहाँ पे ये दिया गया है, ठीक है. Now swimmer wants to reach his house in the shortest possible time. Swimmer जो है अपने घर जाना चाहता है shortest possible time में, okay. He can swim all the way to point B, okay, or he can swim and land at some point here between A and B and then walk from this point to his house, okay. Now we have to find the shortest time in which he can reach his home, okay. Then we have to find the point at which he will land here. हमें वो पॉइंट निकालना है जहाँ पे स्विमर यहाँ पे लैंड होगा जिससे उसका घर जाने का जो टाइम है वो सबसे कम हो. कैसे ट्राई करेंगे? Obviously when he swims all the way to his home, time taken by him won't be the shortest. जब वो यहाँ से सीधा स्विम करके घर पे जाएगा तो वो टाइम शॉर्टेस्ट तो नहीं होगा, because the speed of swimming is less than the speed of walking. Okay, u is less than v. Okay, so for the shortest time in which he can reach his home, he will land somewhere here on the shore. Okay, suppose this is point C. He swims from this point to point C. Okay, let's draw this line. Okay, he swims this much distance, okay, and then walks this much distance, okay. इतना swim करेगा और इतना walk करेगा, but we don't know what is this where is this point. We want to find this point such that time taken by him to reach the home is the shortest, least, ठीक है. कैसे करेंगे? Now point C is variable, okay, so we introduce a variable here. Suppose this is x kilometers, then CB will be L minus x kilometers, okay. Now from this right angle triangle, this distance will be root d square plus x square kilometers, okay. That means he swims root d square plus x square kilometers and walks L minus x kilometers, okay. This distance he swims and this distance he walks, okay. Now we have to find the least time in which he can reach his home if he lands here. Okay, here x is variable, so definitely function of time taken by him will be function of variable x. कैसे आएगा वो function? It's simple. We have speed of swimming, okay, then time taken by him to reach from this point to this point will be distance upon speed, okay. So time taken will be root d square plus x square over u plus time taken by him to reach from this point to this point will be L minus x over v, okay. Speed of walking is v, so time taken will be L minus x over v. This is function of x, this is time function tx, okay. Now we have to find minimum value of this function. Okay, तो क्या करेंगे? We differentiate this with respect to variable x. x के respect में differentiate करते हैं. We get dtx over dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root d square plus x square multiply by derivative of this which is 2x, okay, into u, okay, minus 1 upon v. Derivative of this is minus 1 upon v, okay. And for point of minima, we compare derivative to 0, okay. From this we will get value of x. Here 2 gets cancel out, okay. We get x over root d square plus x square is equal to u upon v, okay. From this we get v square x square is equal to u square d square plus u square x square, okay. And from this we get x is equal to ud upon square root of v square minus u square. I am considering positive value because x will be positive, okay. Now we have to verify that this is point of minima. कैसे verify करेंगे? We can use second derivative test, okay. Derivative of this will be d square of tx over dx square. This will be using quotient rule here. It will be 1 into denominator, okay, minus derivative of denominator root d square plus x square derivative. It will be x over root d square plus x square multiplied by numerator divided by square of denominator, okay. Here we have 1 upon u also, so here we will have d square plus x square, okay. Let's simplify this. Here we will have d square plus x square minus x square means d square. So this will be d square upon u multiplied by d square plus x square power 3 upon 2, okay. Now definitely this will be positive for all values of x, okay. ये हमेशा positive होगा. So this will be point of minima. ये point of minima होगा. That means swimmer will land here at point C, whose distance from point A is this, or distance from his house is L minus ud over रूट v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर, ठीक है. स्विमर सी जो है वो अपने हाउस से इतने डिस्टेंस पे लैंड करेगा, तो उसका घर जाने का जो टाइम है वो लीस्ट होगा, ठीक है.